Okay, hey guys, so we're back with another video. This is a mini TEMU haul. Seeing we only got one item. We purchased a unit. Oh, and it came with a free wig cap. Here's the unit. A 10 stocking cap, and it comes with 2 pieces. And then I did want it like a bob. Got a 16-inch. You first get it out of the pack. It comes in a hairnet already. And this is supposed to be a glueless unit. That's what it said on the description, but I'm not for sure because of the price. Comes with baby hairs, y'all. Like, hold on. It comes, my son me put on his head. It comes with little baby hairs, y'all, and the baby hairs are so nappy. Like, can y'all see this? The quality of this hair feels really, really good. And I like how it looks without being wet. It has like a nice little middle part. It's pre-plucked already. You can make it bigger, but it's good to my liking. So I'll leave it like this. But I will be cutting off these nappy baby hairs. Might leave them just because they might curl a little better when it's time to style the unit. So I'm going to see. But as of right now, I'm thinking about cutting them. But this is just what the unit looks like. This is a light brown lace. And it's kind of thick. And then it just comes with like the elastic band, the straps to adjust it. And it only comes with 1 comb. No, it comes with 3. Yeah. So this is just what it looks like a normal unit. I paid under $60 for it. So I'm about to try to throw it on for you guys and see how it looks. So do it right on camera. I'm not gonna put a wig cap on, so it might be a little rocky. It might not be flat. Thank you, Daddy. Did y'all hear my son's reaction? That was the cutest reaction, live reaction. Like live unplanned reaction. So the hair is really, really soft. I like the texture. I don't know how I look, guys, so you guys see it on me first before I did. So I'll be using this for a photo shoot. Let me see. Here's my daughter's phone. Okay, yeah, so it's not too bad. Once I put a wig cap on, it'll come out a little flatter. Yeah, this is cute. Yeah, see, with it on, I might leave the baby hairs and just like style them and like cut them a little bit to make them a little thinner and not as full. But yeah, I'm liking this. I'm really, really liking this. And oh yeah, this is so cute. And I wanted it like a little bob. I didn't want it too long. Oh yes, this is really, really pretty. I like this so much. Thank you. Thank you. It's really pretty. Look at Maggie. Yeah, look at Maggie and Mommy. Look at Maggie and Mommy. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
For more content, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.